Will she start after 3 months of sitting? Yes! What's up, JR Garage? Welcome back to the channel. No, unfortunately, you guys do not join me in beautiful sunny Arizona today. You guys join me in the freezing cold DC area, back on our old stomping grounds and back in an old car that we haven't driven in forever. Guys, you guys have hit me up numerous times saying, when's the next time you're gonna be driving 944 Turbo? When's the next time it's gonna be in a video? Well, that time is now, because I'm back in the 86 944 Turbo. Such good memories driving this car. It's been a really long time. It started right up after sitting for literally months on end, and it's driving like a champ. So that's awesome to see. But you guys are probably wondering why I'm back in the DC area. And well, one of the reasons is a super fun and happy reason, and the other is kind of sad. But the happy one to start out with, like I said a few videos ago, I hinted at the Bentley Flying Spur, our 2006 budget Bentley that we bought for $15,000, non-running. Well, it sounds like with the work that Christian did and a little bit of work that the dealership did, it sounds like it's running again, and I have to be back this week to pick it up. So I'll let you know the total cost to pick up that, to fix that car and everything associated with the car, but hopefully it'll be running soon, which is super exciting. So that's the fun news. But the sad news is, like I touched on last video, our black 2010 Lamborghini Guyardo, one of the most famous Lamborghinis in the world, because driving it to high school, that video nearly has 20 million views, which is one of the most watched automotive videos on YouTube, which is absolutely insane. Anyway, we put that car up for sale, as you guys know, and it sounds like we have a very interested buyer who's flying in tomorrow. So I got to deal with all that, and the car will probably be sold. So that's sad. Don't worry, I'll make some recap remembrance video about it. We'll miss it, but we'll see if it sells. Not really sure yet, but that's why I'm back in town here. But I figured while I was here, while I had access to the 944 Turbo, let me film a fun video. As you guys can see in the title, we picked up a new supercar, partially to replace our black Lamborghini, but also to start looking at a replacement for our Ferrari F430. If you guys don't know already, when it was acting up with the clutch engagements, it's at the shop, it sounds like it's gonna need a new clutch and resurfacing of the flywheel, which is super expensive. I'm not looking forward to that. So we're just getting a little tired of all the single clutch transmissions and parts failing on these expensive older supercars. So that's why we're looking at newer cars. And that is why we picked up our new supercar, which we will be revealing probably next video. But as always, you guys love it when I give you a few hints before I fully reveal it. So in this video, I'm gonna give you 3 or 4 hints, and we're gonna see who can guess the car correctly in the comment section down below. I think a lot of you will get it. We'll see where you guys head with it, but I will pick 3 or 4 of the people who guess the car correctly in the comment section down below for a piece of JR Garage merch. You can get like a shirt, stickers, posters, whatever. Here I'm wearing the 951 shirt because we're in the 951 Porsche. So there'll be some great prizes if you guys guess the car correctly. So comment down below once you hear the hints. Hint number 1 is this car is the most expensive car we've ever bought. So used, yes, it is used, it's not brand new. We'll get into that in a second. Used, it is the most expensive car we've ever shelled out cash for. So more expensive than the McLaren, more expensive than the black Lamborghini, more expensive than the green Lamborghini. It's a lot of money, and I'm not gonna lie, but it's a good deal. So as you guys know, we're all about finding good deals and eventually making money on the cars. So this one, there is profit to be made. Now, going off that, the sticker price when it was new was over $300,000. So that's hint number 2, over $300,000. And before we get to hint number 3, I forgot to tell you guys to check out our latest JR Aviation video. So we announced all the giveaway winners in that video. I think there were 5 or 10 winners. Private jet ride for free with us and you and a +1, a bunch of merch we were giving away, iPad, GoPro, all that good stuff. So those have been announced, so you want to go check if you won, and we're going to be doing subsequent giveaways, private jet rides, all that good stuff. So you're going to want to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. It's our aviation channel. Christian and I are super into planes. We want to be pilots, and we have our own airplane on order. So if you haven't seen that video yet, you're gonna want to check that one out too. We literally bought a plane, so that's pretty exciting. Anyway, hint number 3, this car is a performance monster. Not only was it super expensive, it is super fast. So with a top speed of over 200 miles per hour. Car's not messing around. Over 200 miles per hour. That's 320 kilometers or something like that. I don't know. And it would definitely be fun to put it up against the green UGR Lambo. Actually, no, it'll still get smoked by that. All guys, hint number 4, last and final hint, is that this car, the new Supercar, is our first car with a dual clutch gearbox. So no, unfortunately, it does not have an amazing manual. It doesn't have a gated manual like the UGR. Nothing, no fun. It's dual clutch automatic, only available in an automatic, this car. I guess that's another hint. No 6-speed option with this car. Lightning fast shifts, but is it as fun? No. It's literally been so long since we've driven this car. Where's the boost? Where's the boost? Where's the boost? There's the boost. It's pretty quick. For 1986, this car, man, when this thing came out in 86, it was a little rocket. So there you guys have it. I know we said we would slow down our car addiction buying roll, but there's no sign of that stopping. But we're car guys, we know how it is. You know, if a good deal comes up, you can't pass it up, and this was a good deal plopped into our lap. So I think you guys are really gonna like it, and I can't wait to reveal it to you guys. It's just such a cool car, and the spec on this car is kind of like, it's like a one-off spec. Absolutely gorgeous, with like $80,000 in options, all the carbon options, the interior, the seats, custom diamond stitch Alcantara, but with leather. I mean, it's a one-off interior, so it looks absolutely perfect. But next time, hopefully I'll remember to bring pants and jacket to 30-degree weather. I'm freezing my butt off, and I don't want to run the heat because it would ruin the audio, so taking one for the team. But anyway, guys, subscribe if you're not subscribed already. You don't want to miss this future car content. The green UGR, we have, there's some huge news for you. The green UGR, we have its new wheel and tire setup coming. It's literally being shipped this week, and we'll reveal it next week to you guys. It's super exciting because these wheels are very, very special. You'll see what I'm talking about soon. And yeah, stay tuned for the Bentley update and all of the Lambo stuff. I'll let you know if we sell the Lambo tomorrow. Stay tuned to my Instagram for 2 more hints. We'll be dropping 2 more hints on Instagram. So if you can't get it with the hints I gave you today, follow our Instagram, and later tonight I'll drop a couple more hints, and hopefully you'll know the car before we even reveal it. At JR Garage, give us a follow, and I really appreciate it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. All right, broken down truck. I will see you guys in the next one. Take care.